Hi there, welcome back. If you are new, my name is Eileen and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share with you $3 tree Christmas DIY projects. Yeah, so let's get started and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. For the first DIY, you need this wood ornament, scrapbook paper, small Christmas tree that I've got from Dollar Tree, and I just traced it on the scrapbook paper and I used the stick glue to attach it. Then I use sandpaper to sand the side and it gives you a nice finished cut. I painted my little Christmas tree with the English ivy green acrylic paint. I just gave it 2 coats and attach it with the hot glue in the middle of the ornament. And I will put the word Merry Christmas using these word stickers from Dollar Tree. Then I also apply Mod Podge to sell it. And this video is also, I am joining a challenge called the Chic for Cheap Craft Challenge. It means we will create something for our home, try to make it cheap as possible, and we will get an inspiration somewhere like online or stores. And this is my inspiration for this project. I just changed something and I spent $3.25 and my inspiration cost $12. Yeah, so it's cheaper. And for this challenge, it is hosted by Christy from Christy Creates. She make a lot of DIY projects like Dollar Tree Modern Farmhouse and she's really talented, so make sure to check her out. And her co-host for this month is Nicole from The Wixness, another talented lady. So be sure to check them out and we have playlist. I will put the description or the link on the description box below, so make sure to check that out. And let's go back to the project. I just added some Christmas pics and the tie and you're done with the first DIY. So what do you think? For the second DIY, you need this wood ornament from Dollar Tree and these wall stickers that says wash your hands, but you only need the word Jesus. If you don't have a paint or a machine, Cricut machine, this is a perfect project for you. And I just grab my painter's tape and apply it using the width of the wall stickers as a guide. Then I use my line and white Rust-Oleum chalk paint. I painted it using or give it 2 coats. Once the paint is dry, I apply masking tape and painted the top and the bottom part with the black acrylic paint. I will be using this stencil. This is from Dollar Tree, and if you cannot find it, you can also use the stickers that I use on my first project. There are several colors of that, like there's red, green, and if you can find the black one, it's better. Yeah, so I just used my Sharpie and I just painted over the stem cell. Then I added ribbon that I've got from Dollar Tree. I just hot glue it. And again, I have an inspiration for this project and it's asking for $40 and I changed some of the color of the Christmas pics in the ribbon because I want my project to match my home decor or my Christmas theme. And I just added Christmas pics and I used the pipe cleaner to attach it on the ornament. Then the pipe cleaner will serve as the hanger of this project or of this sign. And I just use Mod Podge to seal the stickers. And tada! You are done with the second DIY. It's very fun and easy project. Yeah, so what do you think? Let me know on the comment below. And for my third DIY, I got my inspiration from myself or from my fall project. This year, I used this truck and I want to use it again, but it was already falling apart. So I got this truck with the Christmas tree and a bandana from Hobby Lobby. I apply I applied Mod Podge and attached the bandana and I left a small hem to cover up the sides. Yeah, I hope this makes sense because this was I plan to upload this on my last video, but I'm like it was so hard to explain. So I wish you're gonna follow of what I'm doing. Yeah, so basically I just covered the truck with the bandana. And also I covered the tires of the wheel with the bandana with a separate piece because I wanted a different angle for the pattern on the wheels. Then I painted the door and the wheels of the truck with the country gray acrylic paint. Then I used this round felt for the wheels so that I can paint black on the tires. I just use masking tape to protect the side of the tire so that I cannot paint it. If you want, or my suggestion is paint the tire first before putting the bandana on the truck. Then I put back the door of the truck with the hot glue, and I painted the tree with the holly branch acrylic paint. I just give it 2 coats. Then I get this side of the truck from the fall truck that I showed you earlier, and I just attach it with the hot glue. I also removed the welcome sign from the fall truck, and I just covered it with the Mud Podge and the bandana. If you want to see the fall truck DIY project, I will put the link on the description box below. Then after that, I attach the welcome sign. The welcome sign is from the Dollar Tree. I attach it using the super glue gel. I'm sorry it didn't show on the video because I was filming and I'm like I cannot find the I cannot find the clip for that. To attach this together, I drilled holes first on the wheels, then drilled it through the welcome sign. Then I also attach it using the planter chain from Dollar Tree. And yeah, I just reused the one that I used from my fall truck. And you can also stop I to hang this, I just added the plain or the planter chain. And you can stop right here, but what I did, I distressed the door and the wheels of the truck. Then I just added the twine bow and I wrap around the tree with the twine to give it a rustic farmhouse look of the truck. And you are done with the third DIY. I really love the distressing or the distressed look of the door and the wheels. Yeah, so what do you think, guys? And again, thanks for watching. And if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to visit Christy and the Week's Nest, and we have a playlist on the description box below. So, bye bye, guys. See you on my next DIY. Take care. God bless.